Part D drug tiers. Medicare Part D drug tiers categorize prescription drugs into different cost levels, which determine the amount you'll pay out of pocket for each prescription. Medicare Part C has drug coverage tiers as well for most plans and follow the same basic rules. Here's how they typically work. Tier 1, Preferred Generic. This tier includes generic drugs that are usually the lowest cost option. You'll typically pay the lowest copayment or coinsurance for drugs in this tier. Tier 2, Generic. This tier includes generic drugs that are not on the Tier 1 list. While still cheaper than brand name drugs, they may have a slightly higher copayment or coinsurance. Tier 3, Preferred Brand. This tier includes brand name drugs that are preferred by your insurance plan. They are typically more expensive than generics, but less expensive than non-preferred brand name drugs. An easy rule of thumb is that if you see the medication advertised on TV, it will be a Tier 3 or 4 drug. Tier 4, Non-Preferred Brand. This tier includes brand name drugs that are not on the Tier 3 list. You'll usually pay a higher copayment or coinsurance for drugs in this tier compared to preferred brand name drugs. Tier 5, Specialty. This tier includes high-cost specialty drugs, which often require special handling or administration. These drugs usually have the highest copayments or coinsurance. Tier 6, Special Category. Medicare Advantage Part C plans that serve Medicare beneficiaries with chronic special needs such as diabetes, COPD, heart failure, HIV/AIDS, or kidney dialysis may have a special tier just for the therapeutic drugs associated with those illnesses. Tier 6 typically includes medications that are extremely expensive, and plans that have a Tier 6 may provide special pricing for drugs in these therapeutic categories. Other Part C plans may put maintenance drugs for diabetes, cholesterol, or blood pressure in Tier 6. Insurance plans can have variations in how they structure their tiers, but this is the most common framework. Just because the drug is generic does not always guarantee it will be a Tier 1 or 2 medication. Tiers may vary from one insurance provider to another, and less often generic drugs may be found in Tier 3 to 5. It's essential to review your plan's formulary, which is a list of drugs covered by the plan and their associated tiers, to understand your out-of-pocket costs for specific medications. That is why it is so critical to check your medications every year to ensure you have the lowest total cost coverage, because medications may change tiers and cost. Plans will also add and subtract medications from their formularies. It is always best to consult a Medicare professional annually to ensure you have the best plan for your unique set of drugs.